Hello guys. So today we'll be going through a precursor lesson for our next project. So before I start on this topic, I would just like to go briefly on what is test data and what is uh, training data. Okay. So you guys are probably what is actually we are going to use this test data and also training data for. So what we are going to do in our next project will be a machine learning model. We'll be creating a machine learning model. So for that, we need to actually train and test our machine learning model first. Okay. So how do we do that? So we'll be using training data and also testing data. So this data in your machine learning model, it can actually be anything. It can be any kind of data. It can be pictures, it can be words, it can be videos. Any kind of data that you have, you can actually use for your machine learning model. Okay. So first, what is training data? So training data are data that you will be using to train your machine learning model. So for example, for humans, we will be watching like let's say you watch a dog, sorry, a cat since you were little, and then you recognize it is a cat, right? So it's the same with our this machine learning model, because machine learning model is how AI, artificial intelligence, learn and get smarter. So by using let's say pictures of cats, you can actually train your machine learning model and your AI to actually recognize that that is a cat. Okay, so those are training data. And then what is testing data? So testing data is that you uh, you insert to the machine to the ML model, let's say a new type of data which is similar to the data that you have trained the model with. So let's say you train the model with photos of cats. So and then when you test with a photo of cat, but maybe another with none of the photos that you use to train the model, and see if the model can recognize the cat in the picture as a cat and not as anything else. Okay, so that is on briefly on what is training and testing data for machine learning models. Okay, so for this precursor topic, I will be using this website, which is https double dot slash teachablemachine.withgoogle.com. So I will also put this in the video description for you guys to use. So it is actually a very good site where you can use to train and also to test and create models. Okay, machine learning models for any kind of your machine learning projects or even your AI projects. Okay, so it's very good and very strong website, and it's free. The most important thing is free, right? Okay, so you can actually use these three types of project you can use in this website, which is image project, audio project, and post project. So for today, I'm going to use image project. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to use a simple standard image model. Yeah. Okay. So for this website, you can actually use your webcams to actually take photos on the spot of what you want to train and test your model with, or you can upload it. For me, I'm going to upload it. So I'm going to choose image from my files here. So I'm going to use AI and then dot versus cat here, and my training data is here. First is cat. Okay. Okay, and then you guys have to specify what is the class of your machine learning model. Okay, so for me it will be cat and dogs. So maybe you guys want to do machine learning models of human and not human. So first class you can put pictures of human, and second class you can put picture of anything else that is not human, animals, plants, cars, any kind of things. So next is my here, this is dog. Then upload. Going to use dog. Here dog. Okay. Okay, and then here you have some kind of advanced in approach by self-learning rate. So this one I won't touch because it's kind of advanced for this topic. Okay, but then you guys can just put here, train your model. And done, and your model have finished training here. So this would be my first it will my precursor topic will end just here, and then you guys can go to the next video to see what is happening, what will I do next for the machine learning model. So thank you and see you guys again. Bye.